In this class, I'm going to teach you how to make use of our Canva, everything about Canva. So let's go to our Canva. Now, let's see, Canva has both paid and free templates, okay? So majorly it makes of premium. So once you register, you pay, you join teams. Right, so let's start. This, I'm going to click on this project. Project is all about, it signifies your work, the works you've done. Okay, let's click on it. It's going to bring out the works that I've done in Canva, my designs. You see folders. And you see my folder, my designs. Let's go to my designs. These are the works I've done so far. All my designs are here. Okay, the works I've designed. I've images of Canva to design. They are all here. Then this plus icon means I want to start designing. This plus icon, and let me click on it. So if I want to design, I'll click on it. Maybe let me say I'll choose this Instagram post. If you click on this plus icon, it will now lead you to this place where you get your templates. You search, for instance, design. If you need any design, maybe you want to design about church. Say church flyer. Okay, just flyers. It will give you different kinds of flyers. Now look at this one now. It has pro. All right, let me show you something. See, can you see the pro? Pro, it has pro. But these ones that doesn't have this pro, anywhere you didn't see all this pro, that means it's free. You can make use of the templates to work, to do whatever you want to do. But this one that has pro on it means it's not free, and you cannot use it until you register. Then we'll talk about the elements. Here in elements, you can get whatever you want. For instance, icon, call icons. Maybe you needed the WhatsApp icon, 3D WhatsApp icon, whatever you want. Let's check it. Icons. WhatsApp. Let's check for WhatsApp icon. You see, and you see different WhatsApp icons. So, and remember what I told you about the pro. Anyone you see pro, that means you have to pay for it, okay, before you can be able to use it. So our templates, you type in whatever you want to use, any icon you need, anything you need. Maybe it's call icon, like maybe it's just logos or whatever you need. Let's say 3D WhatsApp icon. They also have it. One thing we cover is that it's already prepared for you. Like everything is prepared for you, okay? So all right, now gallery means you want to import pictures, maybe images from your gallery or something. You click here, then you pick what you need for your work, okay? Then when you go to Brand Hub, you ask a brand designer to set it up, maybe set up your own. They just updated the Canva recently. So for uploads means everything you've uploaded from your phone, the things you've done. Look at my uploads, things I brought from my gallery, and I uploaded it to make use of it in my designs. So you understand. Then text. When you get to text, you say we have heading. If it's heading you want to put, you click on this heading. When you click on it, it will bring out, you see, add a heading, because you need this the templates. You're making use of it, okay? All right, let's go back, please. So when you click on it, if it's a heading you want to add, you see look at different kinds of headings you can make use of. Can you see it? Different kinds of write-ups. Maybe I need something like this. I'll click on it, edit it, and put in my words. Okay. Then if it's subheading, if it's add a subheading, it will bring out something like this. You also choose the kind of write-up that you need for it. Okay. The fonts you need to make use of. So Canva brings out different fonts for you. Then if you want to draw, if it's drawing, it also has a place for you to draw. Look at it. Can you see? Draw out what you want, fix it the way you want it. Okay. Then for projects, it will bring out every project, the ones I've done. This is also a shortcut of me getting my projects, all the works I've done. Can you see it? All of them are stored. It automatically saves my designs for me. Okay. Then this one is about the app. You discover more, talk about the app, everything about the app. You get to know them here. Okay. So let's continue. For instance, let's go back to our design. Now we clicked on add heading. Can you see this place? Now we've put something. Look at edit means you edit it and enter your words. Maybe let's use our let's use children. Let's just use children. Then our subheading, we will now edit and add day. Okay, so we are good to go. Then maybe we need color. Now that we've gotten this, remember, now that we've gotten this children, maybe we need a font. We can still change it. Yeah, there are different fonts you can use. Canva already has all the things you need. See all this page I see crown something. It means all this page you're seeing this stuff. You're seeing this stuff. It means, can you see it? It means that you need to pay for it to get it. Okay, so different fonts you can make use of for your work. So let's continue. Then for this one, the text style, what kind of style do you want it to be? Just like what I showed in the other distance, the heading, subheading, the body, whatever you want it to be, you use it. Like now we are on the heading, so it's good. When we move to subheading now, it goes down. Can you see it? It goes down to subheading. Okay, all right, let's continue. Then this place is where you choose your font size. Here is where you choose your font size. Your font size is here. Here, if it's for color, you move to this place. Okay, font size, color. All right, let's continue. Then if it's for bold, you want it to be bold, you click on this bold format. It's for spacing, you click on spacing. If it's for effect, you click on effect. Animate, you click on animate. This effect, there's something I want to show you. You see none, you see, and this one means it has shadow on it, okay? Can you see? Okay, can you see the effect? Any way you want the right to, let's click on it. You see? So you see, that's how it's going to be, okay? Anyhow you want it. Then for animate, you know what animate means? The way you want, can you see it? This one is none. If you want it block, you click on this. Can you see? Want it this way, click on this. You want it this way, it comes out like that. Anyhow you want it. Okay, if you want it to be bouncing, it bounces. If you want it burst, it's burst. Wherever, this is how it continues. Then transparent means the background. Can you see what I'm doing now? We have to reduce it. It's just like opacity in our Pixel Lab. Okay, let's continue. For layers, maybe say you want it overlapping, or okay, let's click on overlapping. Then maybe want it double. Okay, then you select it. Once you select, it comes out that way. Okay, layers means, okay, I'm done selecting. Select again. Okay, so that's it. It will now overlap each other. It will be more than one, like it's going to be like that. Then for this one, position, just like aligning, arrange, advance, wherever you want it to be. If it's forward, you click forward, assuming this day, okay, let me say this day is on top of these children. I want it to go back, I'll click to back, it will go back, the children comes forward. Can you see it? If I want it to go front, you click it on it and it goes front. Okay, the day comes back to front. So that's what it's all about. Then nudging, you use it to bring it down, you nudge it down or take it up. It helps you in aligning your work. Okay, then the comments, maybe you want to add something more. For maybe if you're designing and you want to copy or maybe paste something or select multiple or lock the work, you lock it here, or you want to delete it, you also delete it. So Canva is a very nice app, very good for designing. For instance, you want to design, let's check our templates now. You see this church flyer, maybe when I want to design something, let me click on this one, let me just add it. Immediately I add it, add as new page, I'll add it. Okay, can you see? I can edit this, remove the watermarks, edit this, and then make use of it. Can you see the watermarks on its Canva? So I cannot use it like this as a graphic designer to design and then give to anybody. No, because of this watermark. But if you're on paid premium, you've paid for your listing, you can make use of the app anyhow you want it. Okay, let's look for the one. Let's remove the watermark. If you click on it to tell you that you should purchase a premium element. Okay, all right, let's go back. Let's go back to our template. Let's look for the one that is free and make use of. Let's make use of this. Place current page. All right. You also have the cover this thing, so you have to remove it. For you to work with this, you have to remove it. Let me look for the one that does not have this, does not have the cover stuff. Yes, we've gotten it. All right, can you see this one now? It does not have any cover trademark on it. So this one now you can edit it and write whatever you want to write. Like this business, I'll click on it, edit, and enter what I want to enter. So it makes work easier, and design it and then download it. When you click on here, it means save image, download as a draft or something. Then you download it. It says preparing an image. Once you are done, you go there, you see your image there. Okay, that's how it does. It's preparing it to save it. All right, it's ready now. So it's saved to our gallery. You go to your gallery and you see it there. Okay, let's go to our gallery so you see what I'm telling you. Can you see it? Can you see it? See our work is already here. Okay, it's all about Canva. Canva is a very nice app. Yes, and for you to enjoy it very well, I would advise you pay for your premium and get it. Okay, although it's not really, it's affordable though. It's affordable. Okay, it's affordable. So that's all about Canva. Thank you so much.